Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market after the flash crash that we received yesterday where Bitcoin retested close to 92,000, today there was a little bit of reversal as Bitcoin made a reversal to 97. Most of the altcoins were able to find a support. I mean, if you just look at the overall market sentiment right now, the trading volume is off the roof as there is so many people that are trying to use this volatile market to make as much money as possible. And you can see that Dogecoin has also climbed back to 32 cents, which is actually an extreme support. As long as we do not use that as a resistance and are able to consolidate around 32 cents, there is a very good chance that we might be able to see a huge recovery from here ever since the panic sell. On the other end, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Dogecoin, they all have these four key factors that could help break the downtrend. Dogecoin drops 20% in 24 hours, risk of further decline. Now Dogecoin will be added to the X payments rumor alert, and Brazilian Senate schedules the crypto market session for 2025, and France's second largest bank is set to open Bitcoin floodgates to 35 million users. So there is a lot of money that will be flowing through. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. It will help you stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now initially I just want to talk about the way Dogecoin market has reacted, because Dogecoin is a really good representation on how everything else is performing. If you look at the precious metal, you might have noticed that yesterday silver fell extremely, and after that we noticed that USD climbed quite crazy against the yen, against the euro, but then there was a little bit of recovery as the market decided to shift in favor of crypto again and also the precious metal. Now if you look over here, now you can see that at one point we did actually test 26 cents, and that's exactly when I made my video yesterday, and ever since there has been a recovery. Now I did mention I'm very optimistic when it comes to the Dogecoin price, but I like to give both sides of the story. So just to give you perspective, this can be a sort of fake out. Now you can see that a couple of times, if you just look at the hours that we have been, you will notice that this hour and this one, there's been two times when the market decided to try to shift downwards. If this was not broken with this green, there was a very strong chance that we might have seen a downtrend that could have actually broken the previous support. There is very good chance. Now I talked about this yesterday, that the two key prices that you should be paying attention to when it comes to the Dogecoin price is 32 cents and 22 cents. Either of them are hit, it's going to make a decision in terms of what direction the market wants to take. If we talk about 32 cents, as long as we're able to break above that, actually stay there, that's going to be the key point, because you can see that even today we did actually make it to 32 cents, but we're not able to stay above that price as it did reject the price below. What does this mean? Well, there is a lot of chance to ensure that Dogecoin price to keep climbing, it needs to stay above the price of 32 cents. And previously when the market had the flash crash, it was very similar situation. As you can see, it did try to go above 32 cents a couple of times, but was not able to, and it got rejected even harder. At this point, it's very crucial, especially if you guys are leverage trading, unless you're super experienced, I would tell you to stay away from it. Just like myself, I'm not going to be leverage trading this market at all because it is super unexpected. If we're able to show a really strong momentum where we are able to stay over the price of 32 cents, there is a good chance that Dogecoin can make a good recovery. But for now, I would say pay attention to some key things. Bullish factors include pro-crypto policies, rising institutional interest, and growing the Bitcoin accumulation. There is definitely a lot of accumulation happening, but at the same time, there is a lot of panic selling, which is being caused by a lot of big whales. Now, you guys know that Doge fell really hard, but was the correction going to be even harder, targeting 22 cents or 14 cents? A reversal would require to break above 34 cents to ensure that the market can keep climbing. I do want to mention one thing. It's actually extremely important for Dogecoin, if it wants to keep climbing, it needs to break out of the trend. And the only way the trend can be broken, as I mentioned, is actually breaking above 32 cents as the initial thing. And to break out of the downtrend completely, that would just help us consolidate, which is 32 cents. But to break out of the downtrend, 34 cents is the first resistance to break. The open interest has fallen significantly from 2.7 billion to 1.7 billion, and the long to the short ratio is definitely in the favor of long, but it's actually less compared to what we noticed around here, which was close to 36 cents. It was at 77%, but now it's at 75, as a lot of people, a lot of longs have been liquidated in quite a significant amount. If we talk about Bitcoin, it's still holding strong. The open interest is good. It's just fallen by 2 billion, but the long to the short ratio has increased significantly from 50% to 60% towards long traders. Now, Brazilian Senate is scheduling a crypto market session for 2025. They want to pretty much discuss the future and how they're going to be dealing with crypto. Just to give you perspective, South America is one of the highest growing crypto region in the whole entire world. So this will be an insane meeting that can actually play a very crucial role on the Dogecoin price. In France, second largest bank, which is BPCE, set to open a Bitcoin floodgates to 35 million users. A bank getting involved, and clients will gain access to crypto assets starting in 2025. This is huge because you need to understand the second largest bank and 35 million users. That's a lot of new people that will be coming into the crypto space, and especially bringing in a lot of new liquidity. Now, around 25 million will be liquidated if Bitcoin rebounds to 103,000. That seems like a far-fetch right now because we're on 97, but seeing how quickly we were able to grow from 92 to 97, 103 does not seem too far. 62% of the traders on Binance have an open position on Bitcoin are going long. Now, Hacktour girl, she just got sued with her meme coin. Now, you guys know it was a big disaster, but seeing how much it fell in just 95% in a couple of hours, there's definitely a lawsuit against her. Ripple to donate 5 million XRP to Trump's fund, Fox report. Now, there is more and more companies that are trying to ensure that they can be on the good side of Trump, and one of them being XRP. Now, El Salvador to sell or discontinue Bitcoin wallet. Now, this news is starting to surface, but on the other end, the president or the prime minister is deciding to talk about how they want to buy more. And the US House passes a spending bill to avoid government shutdown. This is huge, and I personally feel like this would have a huge impact on Doge, which is the Department of Government Efficiency. And seeing that Vivek's account got hacked yesterday and it was promoting a meme coin, it's a little bit of a scary situation. But right now, just be a little critical, especially if you're leverage trading. I would tell you to stay away, but other than that, just take your time and you got this. Other than that, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.